The Union government has ordered that households with access to piped natural gas or PNG must shift from LPG within a fixed timeline or risk losing cylinder supply. According to the order issued by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, LPG supply would be discontinued after 3 months in areas where PNG is available, unless a connection is technically not feasible. In such cases, supply would continue with a no objection certificate. The directive is part of the Natural Gas and Petroleum Products Distribution Order 2026, aimed at expanding pipeline infrastructure and reducing dependence on LPG. Officials have said the move would help divert LPG to regions that lack pipeline connectivity and strengthen energy security and global supply pressures. The government has maintained that there is no shortage of LPG and clarified that refill booking rules remain unchanged. It has urged citizens not to panic or spread misinformation. The rollout will be monitored by the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board with strict timelines for approvals and connections. Authorities have been directed to grant permissions quickly, and companies must begin pipeline work within 4 months or face penalties. The order also allows officials to intervene in disputes over land access, while housing societies that deny pipeline installation could face suspension of LPG supply after due notice. Officials have described PNG as a more efficient alternative, offering continuous fuel supply without the need for cylinder refills.